Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to look on how to download Google Photos to phone gallery. First, open up Google Photos. Now select the photos you want to download. Tap on Share and select Google Drive here. Tap on Location and select this option to create a new folder. Name the folder and tap on Create. Then tap on Select. Once you select the location, tap on Save. Your photos will be uploaded on your Google Drive, and once they are done uploading, open up your Google Drive. Tap on Files. Open up the folder in which you saved the photos. Tap and hold to select the photos. Then tap on the three dots here and select the option to download, and your Google Photos will be successfully downloaded in your phone gallery. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.